Stretching the t-shirt, the bowl, circular kickboard, the blank t-shirt, slipping the kickboard into the t-shirt, adjust properly, note where you're going to print, slip the bowl underneath the kickboard, make sure everything is well balanced, check the back, slip over nicely, adjust the t-shirt so that the area you're going to print will be right in the middle of the printing surface. Take the rope and tie it underneath the kickboard, over the t-shirt, around the bowl. If you have an embroidery hook, you could also use it instead of the kickboard and bowl. Now flip over and make sure everything is smooth and tight. Place the paper over the printing surface, adjust it, crease over the area you do not want, check properly again. With the scissors or by hand, you could tear off the part of the paper you don't want. Check again to see that the dimension is what you want. Take the HB pencil and mark 4 points around the paper. And take the Arbor paper tape, which is high quality, has the right amount of stickiness for this work. Using the HB pencil point as a guide, place the paper tape 4 sides of the printing surface. Within the paper tape placed is to be your printing area, so you don't print beyond that line. It helps to keep your work neat. It helps you to be focused. Smoothing away any crease. Check again. You're ready to start transferring your design. So next section, we're going to learn how to prepare the design.